this video, I will be discussing about the summary table of trigonometric ratios of special angles. In the previous video, we have discussed the trigonometric ratios of the following: the 30-degree angle, 45-degree angle, and then the 60-degree angle. And as an addition to the special angles, please take note that the following angles such as 0 degrees and 90 degrees has special ratios for trigonometry. So these are the following. For sine 0 degrees, that is 0. Cosine 0 degrees is 1. Tangent 0 degrees is 0. And take note that cosecant of 0 degrees is undefined. And then the secant of 0 degrees is 1. And the cotangent of 0 degrees is undefined. For the 90-degree angle, sine of 90 degrees is 1. Cosine of 90 degrees is 0. Tangent of 90 degrees is undefined. Cosecant of 90 degrees is 1. And then secant of 90 degrees is undefined. Together with the cotangent of 90 degrees is 0. Okay, so here you go. These are the trigonometric ratios of special angles. So we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And today I'll be giving examples about the side lengths of this 45, 45, 90 triangle. Suppose that A is equal to square root of 2, then we'll be able to identify that the two legs are square root of 2, as simple as that. Because this is an isosceles triangle and it is a 45, 45, 90 triangle, it is understood that it has two equal legs. Now, our concern right now is a square root of 2. So meaning if we are going to solve that, if a is equal to square root of 2, then the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times square root of 2, or simply 2 times 2 is 4, which is square root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So the hypotenuse will be 2 units if given that a is equal to square root of 2. Okay, for another example, the hypotenuse measures 10 units. So if the hypotenuse measures 10 units, then we can make an equation of the proportion a square root of 2 is equal to 10. And since we want to isolate or find the value of a, we have to divide both sides by square root of 2 so that we could cancel out square root of 2 on the left side, and then we'll be left out with a, and that is now 10 over square root of 2. But 10 over square root of 2 should be rationalized, so that will be multiplied to square root of 2 over square root of 2, and 10 times square root of 2 is equal to 10. Square root of 2 all over square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. So the value of a will be, that is 10 square root of 2 all over 2, which is, and our final answer, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that is 5 square root of 2. A is equal to 5 square root of 2. Okay, suppose again that the value of a is an irrational number which is square root of 13. So right here, a is square root of 13. We'll be able to identify that the hypotenuse would be simply square root of 13 times square root of 2, which is 2 times 13, or simply 13 times 2 is 26. Therefore, this is square root of 26. So that will be the value of the hypotenuse. Okay, so let us have another example. Let's say, for example, we have, let's say the hypotenuse is equal to 13 together with an irrational number which is square root of 3. Suppose that is the case, that your hypotenuse is 13 square root of 3. Therefore, in our solution, if we are going to solve for a, since we know that the hypotenuse is a square root of 2, and we have a given value which is 13 square root of 3, then we'll be able to identify that value of a by simply isolating a on the left side by division of both sides of square root of 2. This will cancel out, and as you can see, that is a, and our answer is supposed to be is 13 square root of 3 all over square root of 2. But we need to rationalize the denominator. Therefore, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 2 over square root of 2. We'll end up with 13 square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6. And square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Take note that if we are multiplying irrational numbers, we can only multiply 3 and 2 because they have the same radical symbol. So they are both square root. Same as with square root of 2 times square root of 2, therefore we had square root of 4. Now, to simplify this, our final answer for the value of a is 13 square root of 6 over 2. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next videos.